The reason most people don't go and execute whatever it is they dream about and talk about, it's because of fear. How do I start with no money? How can I invest in real estate with little to no cash? What's the minimum to get started? I don't have 500K sitting around. Before I address this, let me ask you this in the audience. Let's just forget my model for a second. What's holding you back from getting into real estate? Or maybe it's even a different industry. It's not real estate. What is holding you back from going and executing on that, for getting started? Tell me in the chat, is it money? Is it experience? Is it time? Or a lot of you, if you're willing to be vulnerable today, transparent, the true answer is usually fear, right? So tell me, money, experience, time, or fear. What is holding you back? But let me tell you, this is the truth. So I've been at real estate for 23 years. More specifically, my business model, LDP, land with development potential. And there was a time when we didn't have access to the type of capital we have access to today. And I also want to make clear, when I shared my average last 10 deals, the average capital per deal was 500 and what was it? My average over the last 10 deals was 576 grand. But remember, my average project's 162 lots. When I first got going in this industry, the amount of capital per deal wasn't near that high because the average project size wasn't near that big. But I do believe the bigger projects are the way to go, and here's why. Because back when I used to do projects that were 3, 4, 10, 15 lots, they were just as much work as my projects that are 300 lots, okay? So I've chose, because of economies of scale, to switch to larger projects, but also the capital required to execute my LDP model increases, right? So my average is 576, and I get that 576 back, plus I've averaged making 2.7 million on top of it. Well, Cody, I don't have 576,000. This is the honest truth. And I told, back when it was just me and a couple of people, I said, you find us a good deal, we'll get the capital. And we were never not able to obtain that capital because money is attracted to good deals, okay? To good projects in good markets where there's demand. Let me take it a step further, because Cody, I don't have friends or family or investors I know that I can get money from. Like I don't have the network to go and get that type of capital. This is what a lot of our students do. We have numerous projects right now that were actually brought from our education company, Vestrite, brought from students of Vestrite. And so here's where I'm going to crush that. I'm going to call it an excuse, okay? Is you find a deal here at Allied, we'll put up the capital. I'm going to say that again. So don't bring up friends and family, investors. You don't have a network or access to capital. Is that we have numerous deals going right now with Vestrite students where we'll put up the capital. We'll actually even run the deal after you get the landowner to raise their hand, they're interested in selling. We'll run the deal, okay? We'll sell the deal. We'll capitalize the deal. And we're gonna cut you in on the profits, right? So, and we have numerous testimonials, celebrating giving people large paydays by us being their partner. So that should crush that excuse. How about experience? Well, we have numerous testimonials of people that had no experience. Actually, the one we're going to show you today had no real estate experience, okay? We have others. One guy that worked at his church, no real estate experience. Another guy was in the screen printing business, no experience. I could go on and on. So we can prove that experience isn't needed through our testimonials. But in all reality, because I've been now teaching for about 6 years, when we really get down to the raw meat of it, the reason most people don't go and execute whatever it is they dream about and talk about, it's because of fear. They'll give reasons or excuses, but at the end of the day, it's fear. And it's very legitimate because the unknown is scary. The unknown, I understand why fear exists, but I also know this. It's never wise to make decisions based on fear. If you found this video valuable, please share it. And also subscribe And don't forget to hit the notification button so you don't miss anything. Lastly, YouTube recommends this for your next video to watch.